Kumshi benta ban rakhi kerpang ya kasngi jong jing as ngumhai kasnam shaki weipat nika World Donor Day. Nagaland State Blood Transfusion Council Meghalaya but Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong kala rakhi ya state level observation of World Donor Day arjakatsan halor ka theme Thank you for saving my life. Hakajingelang kablalong ha Conference Hall Pasteur Institute Shillong. Hakani kasngi Nagaland ka kong Tiphanbu Chairperson ka Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Kalalong kum ka kongsan haringkat ka jingdalang Y Sering Additional Chief Secretary uba petru ikatanat kokoi kakya but ubadeiru President ka State Blood Transfusion Council kumusumbur kongsan uba KW Marbanyang Secretary Health and Family Welfare Dr. Dilingdo Project Director Meghalaya AIDS Control Society bat kiwe hakani gasngi kaladon gajing aisnam gajing samkusnam bat kijing ruai na kakunhun dembur kabadi galadu jang Meghalaya Icon 5
Thank you.